What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. If you're looking for the best of the best, true natural to sound with a little bit bass, then you can't go wrong with the Philips. This one is the Philips SHE8105 headphone earbuds. Jump to the unboxing table, and then here's my unboxing and first look of it. I gave my hand for you. So here it is. The wait is over. This is for the deep bass, but I was looking something for audio monitoring with a flat sound. If you don't know, this comes with a microphone. Also, I did the review on the without the microphone. Click the card button to watch. That one is in black color. Let me show you from the back. It's a durable aluminum metal exterior with oval sound tube. Okay, for a comfortable and ergonomic. Re-engineered driver response to deep bass featuring inline remote with mic for music and call. Okay, let me open this one. Here we go. Let me take out the box. Okay, is there inside? Okay, there's just like an instruction for putting the ear tip on your ear. Okay, I bought the red one because I was looking for the one with the inline mic. Okay, let me take it out and then let me show you how beautiful it is. Literally how beautiful it is. Okay, here we go. Literally here we go. Okay, the build quality is like beautiful. I mean, it's aluminum. It's literally aluminum. I mean, exterior. I mean, this look beautiful. I don't know why I'm liking it. I mean, this is beautiful. Literally, where you can see, this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, when I'm holding in my hand, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I'm surprised. I am literally surprised. Now let me put in my ear and tell you the audio quality of it. So here are the headphones. Literally, yes, here are the headphones. Let me put in my ear. Okay, the first impression is that it's quite comfortable. It's a comfortable headphone. Literally, yes, it's a comfortable headphone. It's a comfortable headphone. I mean, it's built from metal, and then now let me listen to the quality. Havana, Unana. My heart is in Havana, 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 Unana. Okay, the bass is good. The bass is not too loud, to be honest with you. The bass is good, to be honest with you. I mean, I like it. I mean, I can recommend it. I can easily recommend it. The bass is good. The bass is not too loud. The bass is not like Sony. Boom, boom, boom. I hate that kind of bass. It's like natural tone. It's like this headphones are good for audio monitoring also. The audio profile is flat, but if you like to listen a lot of music, maybe I can't recommend. I don't know. I can recommend. I again, it's like flat, flat. It's good for listening audiobooks, good for like monitoring the audio or doing video editing. I mean, listening the audio, something like that, watching videos, watching movies. But for music, I can't. So yeah, it was me. All of the links are in the description box below. Subscribe. Bye.